What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video today. Today is a really interesting video. I made 186,000 slash 10,000 USD in one session, and that is Asian session. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down how I took the trade and what happened, what were my confluences and all that. We're gonna be going through that. So, firstly, I have to tell you this. This account that I'm trading is a private fund account. I got funded, but not by a company, but by someone. So basically, I trade the account, we split the profits. That's how it is. It's a 2 million rand account, a real account, by the way. It's not a prop firm or anything. I'm gonna show you the account here. This is the account right here, and yeah, that's it. Just gonna play the details, but for you to see that it's a real account, not demo account. You don't trade demo accounts this side. So yep, this is the account, and this is the current balance, 2.2,180,000. So before you come for me and say why is it not 186,000, 2,186,000, it's because I took this trade around 11 p.m. So I had to pay spreads worth 5k. Yeah, I'm gonna post a screenshot also for you to see. I wanna be transparent so that people don't come for me saying, hey, this and that. I wanna be transparent. So I'm gonna show you everything, the account, the balance, and everything. So yeah, let's get into the video and I will show you the trade that I took. So before we get into the video, the trade that I took was AUDJPY. I took it around 11 p.m. and then it hit my TP, not even full TP, but it hit my first TP, which was the only take profit, by the way. So it hit around 6 in the morning, and when I woke up, I had 186,000 profits. So let's get into the screen. I'll show you the trade. So yeah, let's get into the trade and explain it. So I trade the same way every time. I follow a system and do the same risk management and all that. So as you have seen my previous videos, I've shown you how I analyze, and this is the same thing that I did. Currently the trade is going west. It decided to reject just after I took my profit. So my profit was somewhere around this area here, where it rejected. It was somewhere just here. This is where I took my profit on 100.6, yeah, somewhere there. That's where I took my profit. I'm probably gonna post a screenshot where I took the thing, where I said my take profit. So the trade was like this. Like I said last time, we mark our swing. So this was the swing that we had. I started off the 4-hour time frame. I marked out the swing from here to down here. And then using our Fibonacci, like I said last time, we start from where the market ended, where the swing ended to where it started, which was right there. Right. I marked it out. Let's mark it out on the side. So what happened was the market was somewhere around this area on 30.9, around 10 o'clock. Then I added positions when it reached this area on 23.6. When it reached that level, I entered the trade. So let's say this was the swing. This is the swing right here. And the market retested on 23.6, and then it came here, right? That's when I closed my trade. I closed my trade on 61.8, just below 61.8. It was like this. So like I said, 23.6 is my entry every time. I enter on 23.6, sometimes 30.9, 38.2. Basically, this zone that I marked out with this rectangle is a premium zone for either buying or selling. When the market reaches this point, if you have correctly marked out your swings, that's your premium level to buy. That's your area of interest basically. So as soon as the market taps into this zone, I start adding positions. That's what I did. So I added 30 lots. Since it's a big account of like, let me add 30 lots. I'm not allowed to lose more than 20% of the account. So I calculated my risk that I'm going to risk at least 2% to 3% each trade. So on this trade, if it went south, I was going to lose somewhere around 50 to 60,000 rands. But it went well and we closed 186,000. That is really good, man. Only if I can do that every day, that's gonna be a good thing. So yeah, that's the trade. As you can see, it's still going. I'm pretty sure it's gonna continue going down. This is an opportunity for more sellers to enter the trade. So we're gonna get an update on Friday how the trade went, but yeah, I closed my profits just right here. So usually what I do when I'm trading with this, all of these coordinates have a purpose. I know that 61.8 is a potential reversal zone for the market. If my swings are correctly marked, market usually rejects on 61.8 and just does a correctional movement and then another impulse. So take profit 1 is usually 61.8, then take profit 2 100%. If I see that the trade has potential, then my last take profit is 161.8%. That's what I do. If the trade, I see that the trade is going to come all the way down, that's what I do. Take profit 1 on 61.8, take profit 2 on 100%, take profit 3 on 61.8%. So my trading system is systematic. I just follow all the rules and make sure I stay in my lane. Then yeah, I'll never go wrong. So this was the trade that we took. Simple and easy trade that made me nearly 10,000 USD. Not nearly 10,000 USD. It's 10,000, 10.3 USD. I calculated it. It's 10.3 USD, which is a good amount to make, considering that I made it in one session. So I didn't trade the whole day. I didn't trade. That was the only trade that I took. So let's get into other pairs that we analyzed on Monday and see how it is going. So I'm going to start off with gold. If you all remember what we said with gold last time, I said gold was going to start buying, right? We analyzed and I told you this was the entry for gold. This was the entry for gold. I'm currently running in profits right now. I'm waiting for full take profit. Right? I already closed take profit 1. I'm waiting for full take profit. Like I said, 61.8 is a reversal area. So we can see right here. Let me explain this real quick. Market moved all the way from there. Let's select this tool. Yeah. Moved from there into our area of interest, 23.6. Rejected from there. Another confluence we had was this black line that I talked about. Market usually reverses from the black line, so it reversed from that, and another confluence was the Fibonacci. So we had two confluences. Market reversed from 23.6 right here. So let me mark this out. Came here, 23.6. I entered my positions. Like I said, if you remember on the video, I literally said that I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to post a video when I took the trade. Yeah, I'm going to post a video. So I took this trade on Monday. Monday. It was Monday when we analyzed it. Like I literally said that this market is going to buy from this point, and then it did. I also sent the signal in the Telegram group. Is there. All those that are in the Telegram group know. So yeah, if you want to join, link is in bio. It's for free. Nothing. You don't pay anything basically. So the market came to 23.6, then it reversed, came to 61.8. Like I said, 61.8 is a potential reversal area for the market. The market always reverses from 61.8 to create a correctional movement, and then we continue with the impulse. So here 61.8 correctional movement. So the blue line is also a confluent. The market rejected on the blue line. So now I'm anticipating buys. So if I literally want to enter more trades from right now, I can enter more trades because I know the market is going to start buying again. So there we go. It rejected. I'm expecting it to go up until full TP 100%. That's how it's going to work, hopefully. But usually, with the experience that I have with the market, it usually does this. It's like I'm trading the same thing every day. Same thing every day. It's literally easy to make money from the market. So this was pretty much it. If you didn't watch my previous video, go and watch it. You will see that I explained everything and it's all coming to life right now. That's what is happening. So we also analyzed the US dollar index, which is currently not going well, but at the same time it's going well. So let me switch to the daily time frame. As you can see right here, we have this area of interest. Last time it didn't really hit 23.6. Now it's going for 23.6. Then on Monday we analyzed that it's gonna come on this point of area. Then it invalidated the setup that we had. It's invalid now because it broke on 0%, so the swing no longer works. So yeah, we're supposed to stick to the first analysis that we had. So I'm sure the market is going to start reversing. Like the first analysis that we had, the market is going to start reversing from it. This is the analysis that we had for US index. So yeah, we're going to start anticipating buys very soon. Since we have NFP tomorrow, I'm 80% sure that our USD is gonna sell. I'm 80% sure that the USD is gonna sell tomorrow. So which means it's gonna be a sell for USD JPY and a buy for gold. But who am I to tell? The market does what it wants. So we're gonna see tomorrow. But from what I'm seeing right now on the market, I think it's gonna be like that. So it's the same for USD JPY. Like I said last time, if US index is buying, it's gonna be the same for USD JPY. So USD JPY is currently buying. We haven't really seen a reversal since then. So that means I didn't take any trades. I wait for the market to do what I wanted to do. If it doesn't do what I wanted to do, then I'm not taking the trades at all. I'm just gonna wait for my confirmations and my confluences. So currently on the JPY, we don't have any trade. It's just doing what it wants. So yeah, we're gonna see then after tomorrow, after NFP. I'm sure around, I think 9 we have FOMC. I'm not sure, but I think so. I think we have FOMC today. So yeah, that's it for the pairs that we analyzed last week and the trade that I took on AUD JPY. It was a really good trade. So yeah, hopefully it continues going down. But at this point, I'm not going to enter again because it already gave me enough profits. I'm content with that. I'm going to look for more opportunities later on. When you analyze German 30. So as you can see, this is the power of this strategy. I said market is going to reverse from this point. It's following this arrow exactly. It's reversing right here. I said it was going to sweep these lows and start reversing, but it's been consolidating a bit. But yeah, as you can see, it's trying to build up momentum to go up. So yeah, I'm not really trading this. I won't lie, I didn't enter any positions. Because I already have a trade on gold. So yeah, but I'm gonna try and catch a trade on Friday and see how it's gonna work with this one. Because for now I think it's trying to build up momentum to be bullish. If it breaks this high right here, it breaks above this, I'm gonna start looking for opportunities with this trade, with this pair. So yeah, that's it. Those are the pairs that were analyzed. That's it for this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe, stay tuned. I'm gonna post more educational videos like this one. I'm really bummed that I made 186,000. That's a lot of money, man. I remember when I used to like lose in trading, it seemed like I wasn't gonna reach at this point, honestly. Days were dark before this. I used to blow accounts, man. Yeah, it was crazy, but yeah, now that we're elevating, it's a good thing. So if you wanna also catch trades like this, you can join my Telegram group. I post free trades, free signals. The trades that I take personally, I don't analyze anything that I'm not gonna take and post it in the group. I only post trades that I take. So if you go and look into the group, you'll see that I posted the gold trade that we took, but I didn't post the AUD why, because it was Asian session. Most people don't stay up for Asian session. But yeah, man, it was a good trade. Appreciate what the market gave us. I'm gonna show you guys the account so you don't think it's a demo account or anything like that. It's a real account. It's not my funds, but someone's funds that I'm trading. We're gonna split profits like that, and it has rules just like a pro firm, but it's not a pro firm account. The only rule that I have is drawdown. I'm not supposed to be in drawdown like 20-25% of account. So yeah, it's not really that deep. It's a good thing that I have a lot of area to trade. You know, like 25% is a lot. So yeah, I have enough room to trade the account. So yeah, man, I'm gonna post my whole journey with this account and take you through the splitting of profits. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but I'm just gonna show you if I get my share. I'm just gonna show you whether through Binance or through my bank account. I'm just gonna show you that this is what we made from the 2 million account. Hopefully, I'm gonna continue with that contract and it all goes well, because it's a really life-changing opportunity that I got. You don't really get to trade among 2 million. There's a lot of money for you to trade. Personally, because I don't think I would really risk putting my own money, like 2 million rand, into the market. I don't know. Maybe it's just that I'm not there yet, but yeah, man, that's it. So this is my first time trading big amounts, and yeah, I've traded 500,000. I've traded 300, 500,000. That's where I range. I've never traded a million. This is my first time trading 2 million, and it's not mine. And that's a good thing, because if it was mine, I'm sure I was gonna do something else, man. I was just gonna go buy a car or something, man. I was just gonna do something with it. I'm not gonna risk it to bring to the market. It's either I'm gonna put half of it and trade it and then do something. But yeah, I'm grateful for the opportunity that I got. So I'm gonna end this video now. We're gonna make another video on Friday, like a recap of what happened this week and all that. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Peace out.